thinking means looking at the bright side of life and believing that good things will happen. It is about having hope, courage, and confidence in every situation. Friends, life is not easy always. Sometimes we fail in exams or things do not go the way we want. Sometimes negative thoughts like I cannot do this or I will never succeed make us weak. But if we think positive like I will try again or I will do better next time gives us new energy and strength to move forward. Let me give you an example. Thomas Edison, the great scientist, failed many times before he invented the electric bulb. But he never thought negatively. He always said, I have not failed. I have been found the ways that do not work. His positive attitude made him successful and today the whole world uses the light he discovered. I would like to end with a small quote. Positive thinking means looking at the bright side of life and believing that good things will happen. Thank you. Have a great day.
Good afternoon to respected principal, teachers, judges and all my dear friends. My name is Trisha Suman Samant from Standard 5th Road. Today, I want to talk to you about a powerful tool that can transform our lives. The power of positive thinking. Positive thinking is more than just a talent. It changes the way we behave. And I firmly believe that when I am positive, it not only makes me better, it also makes those around me better. Positive thinking is a mental attitude that focuses on the bright side of life and expects positive results. A positive mind anticipates happiness, joy, health, and a successful outcome of every situation and action. One of the greatest benefits of positive thinking is that it helps us manage stress and improve our overall well-being. When we maintain a positive outlook, we are better equipped to handle life's challenges and setbacks. Positive thinking has a profound impact on our physical health. It has been shown to reduce stress, anxiety, depression, and improve our immune system. Moreover, when we approach others with a positive attitude, we are more likely to build strong, meaningful connections. This leads to better personal and professional relationships, creating a supportive network that helps us achieve our goals. By adopting a positive mindset, we can create a brighter, more fulfilling future for ourselves and those around us. The more you worry about the past, the more you will lose the happiness in the present. And remember, to heal a wound, you need to stop touching it. Thank you.
A very warm good afternoon to respected teachers, judges, and all my dear friends. I am Shorya Satish Patil from Standard 5th Road. Today, I'll explain you all the power of positive thinking in simple words. Positive thinking is like a magical key that makes life happier and easier. It means thinking happy thoughts, believing in ourselves, and seeing good in everything. Why is positive thinking so special? First, it makes you strong. If you think, I can do this, then you will try harder, like when learning to ride a bike. Second, it keeps you happy. Even if you lose a game, thinking, I'll do better next time, makes you smile. Third, it helps in making friends. When you are kind and say nice things like, great job, at that time, everyone likes being around you. Finally, it turns problems into exciting challenges. Instead of saying, this is hard, you can say, this is an exciting challenge. How do you practice being positive? First, say kind words to yourself, like, I am kind. Second, have seen good in everything, like enjoying a rainy day by jumping in puddles. Third, help others with a smile. I would like to give you an example of positive thinking. Once, a boy named Baki was scared to give a speech, but he thought positively, believed in himself, practiced, and did great. So, let's think positive, believe in ourselves, and spread joy. Thank you everyone. Have a nice day.
All the respected personalities and all my dear friends, a very good afternoon to one and all present over here. Today, I, Bhumi Sachi Marathe from Standard 5th Lotus, would like to give a speech on the power of positive thinking. Your mind is a powerful thing. When you fill it with positive thoughts, your life will start to change. Positive thinking is a powerful tool that helps us see the bright side of our life. For example, if you are nervous about a school presentation, instead of thinking, I will measure, we can say, I am prepared and will do my best. This shift in thinking can change how we feel and how we perform. Positive thinking is also important for making friends and building strong relationships. One great way to practice positive thinking is by keeping gratitude journal. Each day we can write down 3 things for which we are thankful for. This simple habit helps us notice the good things in our life. Moreover, positive thinking helps us face difficulties with courage. When we encounter obstacles such as the homework, assignment, or a sports challenge. In conclusion, let us always think positively.
Dear teachers, sisters, and all my dear friends, my name is Nisha Jadhav, and today I want to talk to you about the power of thinking positive. Positive things are more than just a title. It changes the way we behave, and that means we believe when I am positive, it not only makes me better, but it also makes those people around me better. One of the main benefits of thinking positive is that it helps to manage stress and improve health. When you think positively, you are more likely to engage in healthy behaviors such as eating a balanced diet, exercising, and avoiding harmful habits of smoking and excessive drinking. Positive thinking can also help you to reduce stress and improve your health. When you are stressed, your body releases hormones like cortisol, which can have negative effects on your health. Another way of positive thinking is that it helps to achieve your goals. When you think positively, you are more likely to take action towards achieving your goals. Positive thinking also helps you to stay motivated and focused even when you face challenges and setbacks. It also helps you to develop and grow a mindset, which is the belief that you can grow and learn through your efforts and learning. So let us try to think positively and make the world a better place. Thank you.
Good afternoon to all of you, respected teachers and my dear friends. I, Manika Gayatri from Standard 5th Reading. Today, I am going to tell you something about power of positive thinking. A positive mind brings positive results. This simple thought tells us that if we think positively, the results will be also positive. Whatever may be the condition, otherwise no. Positive thinking means looking at the bright side of life and believing that good things happen. Whatever is the situation, positive thinking is not just an attitude, it's the way of life. Friends, life is full of ups and downs, but if we carry a positive attitude, we can turn every difficulty into opportunity. Winston Churchill once said, a pessimist sees difficulty in every opportunity. An optimist sees opportunity in every difficulty. When we focus on the good in every situation, we success, we achieve our goal. When we focus on the good, we feel more relaxed, motivated and confident. And I would like to end with a beautiful thought. think positive, speak positive, and act positive because positive thinking will make your and my future bright and beautiful. Thank you.
माझे नाव मी आशिषवर. मी इयत्ता 5वी मध्ये शिकत आहे. आदरणीय व्यासपीठ आणि येथे जमलेले शिक्षक व माझ्या बालमित्रांनो, आज मी तुम्हाला सकारात्मक विचारांची शक्ती याबद्दल सांगणार आहे. मी ज्या शक्तीबद्दल सांगणार आहे ती प्रत्येकाच्या आत असते. अशी शक्ती जी आपल्या जीवनाला खोलवर आकार देते. मी ज्या शक्तीबद्दल बोलणार आहे ती प्रत्येकाच्या आत असते. अशी शक्ती जी आपल्या जीवनाला खोलवर आकार देते. माझ्या शक्तीचं नाव आहे सकारात्मक विचारांची शक्ती. आपल्यासमोर नकारात्मकतेने भरलेले जग अनेकदा दिसते, तेव्हा आपण आपल्या विचारांचा वास्तवावर किती परिणाम होऊ शकतो हे दिसून येते. आपल्या जीवनामध्ये अनेक परिस्थितीचा सामना करावा लागतो. काही आपल्याला उंचावतात तर काही आपल्याला खाली खेचतात. तरीही परिस्थितीचा अनुभवावर अवलंबून असते. जेव्हा आपण सकारात्मक विचार करतो तेव्हा आपण आपल्या जीवनाला आकार देतो. म्हणून सांगते, स्वतःला सकारात्मकतेने वेधून घ्या आणि आशा ठेवून जगा. तुमचे जीवन खूप महत्त्वाचे आहे, कारण जेव्हा आपण सकारात्मक विचारांना निवडतो तेव्हा आपण केवळ आपण स्वतःचे जीवन बदलत नाही, तर आपण जग बदलतो. म्हणून सांगते की स्वतःच्या क्षमतांवर विश्वास ठेवला तर यश आपोआप मिळेल. धन्यवाद.
स्वराला ओळखून दे त्याच्या पाठीची विद्यार्थी. आज मी आपल्यासमोर सकारात्मक विचारांची ताकद या विषयावर बोलणार आहे. यथा चित्तं तथा वाचो यथा वाचसा क्रियः चित्ते वाची क्रियायां साधूनां न विरुद्धः. यथा जर असतात तसं बोलणे होते आणि त्याचं बोलणे तशी कृती घडते. म्हणून सकारात्मक विचार असतील तर जीवन सुंदर होते. आपल्या जीवनात सकारात्मक व नकारात्मक विचार येतच असतात. सकारात्मक विचार सकारात्मक विचार चांगल्या कामासाठी उपयोग करून घ्यायला हवा. त्यासाठी आपण लोकशाही हवी, कारण विषय बदलले की कृषी बदलते. सुंदर सकारात्मकपणे ही राजाने श्रीमंती आहे, कारण आपण जसे विचार करतो तसे आपल्या व्यक्तिमत्व घडत जाते. सकारात्मकतेने विचार केला म्हणून आइन्स्टाईन, जेम्स वेब, एडिसन, गौतम बुद्ध, जगदीशचंद्र बोस यांसारखे महान व्यक्ती ज्ञानाची विस्ताराने यशस्वी झाले. आज बदललेल्या जीवनात सकारात्मक विचारांवर मात करण्यासाठी त्यांच्याकडे संस्कार राहणे, त्यांचे पुस्तक वाचणे आणि मी हे करू शकतो असे स्वतःला सांगणे खूप उपयोगी ठरते. जेव्हा आपण सर्वांनी आपल्या जीवनात सकारात्मकता आणून उज्ज्वल भविष्य घडवलं. धन्यवाद.
विचार जसे तसेच आपले जीवन घडते. आदरणीय परीक्षक, मान्यवर व माझ्या मित्रांनो, माझं नाव स्पृहा दीपक मोरे, 5वी मध्ये. आज मी तुमच्या समोर बोलणार आहे सकारात्मक विचारांची ताकद या विषयावर. आपल्या जीवनाचे खरे दिशानिर्देशक म्हणजे सकारात्मक विचार. एखाद्या व्यक्तीच्या मनात सकारात्मक विचार असेल तर तो कितीही कठीण परिस्थितीत असता तरी मार्ग शोधतो. जर नकारात्मक विचार मनात भरले तर सारी समस्या देखील डोंगरावी वाटते. तुमचे जीवन ही तुमच्या विचारांचा परिणाम आहे. तुम्ही इतरांना काय म्हणता हे महत्त्वाचे असते, तरी तुम्ही स्वतःला काय म्हणता हे त्याहूनही महत्त्वाचे आहे. तुम्ही एक विचार करता, तुम्ही एक कृती करता, तुम्ही एक सवय पेरता. तीच सवय तुम्हाला दैनंदिन जीवनात अत्यंत महत्त्वाची ठरते. त्यामुळे जे विचार तुम्ही पेरताय ते सकारात्मक असणे खूप आवश्यक आहे. लक्षात ठेवा, शब्द हे प्रभावशाली घटक आहेत. शब्दांमध्ये शक्ती आहे. विचार जर तुम्हाला घडवू शकतात तर ते तुम्हाला मोडू शकतात. सकारात्मक विचारांची ताकद म्हणजे अंधारातही प्रकाश शोधण्याची वृत्ती, अपयशातून शिकण्याची क्षमता आणि उद्याचा दिवस नक्कीच चांगला जाईल हा विश्वास. इतिहासात असे अनेक लोक आहेत ज्यांनी सकारात्मक विचारांच्या जोरावर यश मिळवले. थॉमस एडिसन यांना विजेचा बल्ब बनवताना 1000 अडथळे आले, पण ते म्हणाले मी 1000दा अपयशी झालो नाही तर 1000 मात्र सापडले की हे कसे काम करत नाही. हा त्यांचा सकारात्मक दृष्टिकोन होता. आपण रोज एखादी चांगली गोष्ट मनात ठरवून मी हे करू शकते असा निश्चय केला तर आपल्या जीवनातील अडथळे आपोआप दूर होतात. सकारात्मक विचार आपल्याला यश, आनंद व शांततेकडे नेणारे मार्गदर्शक आहेत. आपण रोज एक विचार केला की मी हे करू शकते, माझ्यासाठी काही सिर्फ हमें दर्द देता है